Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This June 2020, 51 variant, question number 3. Company produced small boxes of sweets that contain 5 jellies. Very clear mention, 5 jellies. Okay. And 3 chocolates. Total are there 8. Total there are sweets are total 8. Okay, in a box there are 8. And Jamil chooses 3 sweets random from a box. So probability distribution table, we have to make it table, and number of jellies, which means our concern is jellies. So naturally he picks 3 sweets. So we have options how many? If we just make a rough idea, so I just tell you. So X maybe jellies are because chocolates are 3. So maybe all 3 chocolates come. So then jelly will be 0. Or it means 0 jellies and all 3 chocolates. The option number 1. Maybe 1 jelly and 2 chocolates, and 2 jelly and 1 chocolate, and all 3 are jellies. So these are 4 options we have total all together. Okay, and what is method? We can do this question in 2 techniques. One, drawing up the probability distribution. Sorry, there's a tree diagram like this. This is also correct, not wrong, like this. Okay, sweet number 1, sweet number 2, and sweet number 3. This is a one method to do it. Okay, second method we have without this effort, because chooses means he's choosing from as behaving like without replacement. Without replacement. And when you talk about without replacement, student, we have a special formula. And let's try. If x is equals to 0, it means 0. All right. So it means, what does this mean? This means, look, I'm writing this way. So we have a fraction. Okay. And we write always 2c. And this is c. For what is method of writing? So total sweets are 8, and I have to choose 3. So down, total probability is coming down. How I wrote 8C3, I explain again. Total sweets are 8, and a selection of 3 we have. That is why 8C3. Now this is a first C I use for jellies, J for jelly. Second C I use for C for chocolate. So jellies are 5, so I write 5 on the top, and chocolates are 3. I'm writing 3 here. But out of 5 jellies, I need 0 jelly, so I write 5C0. Out of 3 chocolates, I need all 3. Why 3? Because 3 plus 0 give you total sweets. So if you type this in calculator, so you will get your answer so easily. Okay, it is coming with us, and you, for your knowledge, 5C0 is 1, 3 is also 1. So just 8C3 will type in calculator. So 1 over 56 is coming from here, because this is a 1 and this is a 56. All right. In case if x is equal to 1, what this means is x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 means very, very clear approach that that if we talk about again a fraction here, I write, and down 8C3 always. Okay, very clear approach. But now 1C, this is for jellies and this is for chocolate. So out of 5 jellies, I need how many jellies? Naturally 1. How? X is 1. I talk about this one. Okay. And out of 3 chocolates, I need 1. I need, sorry, 2. 2 plus 1 give you 3 total. So if you type this in calculator, the upper part, so this is 5C1 is 5, 3C2 is 3, so 3 for 15. So 15 over 56, we got a second option. Now, if I take x is equal to 2, so I am saving my time now. So I'm copying this here, and I'm pasting here. All right. And make sure this time, because it's 2, so I do a small change only. That jellies are 2, I'm writing 2 here. So naturally chocolate become 1. So 5C2, if you type in calculator, give you 10. And this is a 10, and this is a 3C1 is 3. So 30 coming in the numerator, and 56 is remains same. Last option, I'm going to write this 3, and now again I'm going to paste here. Same idea. But only thing is now because 3 jellies are there, so I write 3, and 0 chocolate, because ultimately 3 sweets we have to bring it out. Okay, 5C3, if you know it, you can type it, it's coming 10. So 10 or 56. And now interesting part, if I make it in table format, look, I'm writing now, finally. So this is the X, probability of X, and 0 option, option number 1, option number 2, option number 3. So this first answer is 1 out of 56 in case of 0. 1 out of 56. In case of 1, 15 out of 56. In case of 2, 30 out of 56. In case of 3, 10 out of 56. And if you add the numerators, 10, 30, 30, 40, 40 plus 15, 55 plus 1, 56. So 56 plus 56 become 1. So sum is becoming 1. So it means it is a confirmation that we are doing correct. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, 4 marks achieved. So table, let's go for the next part. The company also produces large boxes of the sweet. Previously he said small box, but he's now said large boxes. For any large box, the probability it contains more jellies than chocolates 0.64. So it means jellies are more. This is not our concern. He said that jellies are more than chocolates. So probability jellies are more than chocolate is 0.64. And what is my concern in the whole question is the same thing. It means my priority is my probability of favor is 0.64. Logic, because we are talking about jellies are more than chocolate. So this is my P value. And what is the Q value? You know it very well. 1 minus 0.64. So Q is giving you 0.36. And I believe this is also clear. And now he said 10 large boxes of randomly chosen. So N is 10. But he said that about out of 10, no more than 7. He said what? I tell R, no more than 7. Okay, no more than 7 out of 10 boxes is contain more jellies than chocolate. So it means my concern, how to get this one more than 7? No more than 7. I always give this idea. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, because 10 boxes are there. That is why. He said no more than 7. No more than 7. It means not more than 7 means I can say here very clear. So can I say this is a 7 or more than 7? No. He said no more than 7. So in this sense, if we observe, we have here 3 options: no more than 7, no more than 7, no more than 7, no more than 7. Can we take 7? No. This how it possible? This he said no more than 7. So these numbers I don't need. So I need all these options. I need all these options. Now binomial formula is NCR Q to power n minus R P to power R. So can I use for so many values? Impossible. Can I do one favor, which I don't need? I will find and subtract from 1. So there's a way to do it. R is equal to 8 plus R equal to 9 plus R equal to 10. So I will find these 3 things and subtract for 1. So let's apply the formula. And formula is N is 10. Okay, for this R is 8. Q, you know, P, you know, alhamdulillah, I just plug in the numbers. So 1 minute, please. Maybe space issue, maybe later on. So let's apply. So 10 C8, 2 brackets. Then 10 C9, then 2 brackets. Then 10 C10 and 2 brackets. That's it. And here, you know, first bracket always Q comes. So first each bracket 0.36, 0.36, 0.36. In each second bracket, P value is 0.64, 0.64. I believe this is okay. The first bracket, what is that difference of N and R coming in the first bracket? So 10 and 8 subtract, you got a 2. Here 2, and this R goes directly. So this 8 goes directly on the second bracket. So 10 minus 9, 1 and 9. 10 minus 10, 0 and 10, I believe clear. Now, if you type this in calculator, so I will save my time. And I'm just typing. And 10C is 8. 0.36 to power 2, 0.64, 10 to power 8, I'm typing. And now 10C9, this is a 10, so I will not type. Okay, this is okay, clear. 10c0 is 1, something to power 0 is 1. I will not type this one, I'll type this only. When I type this one only, students, so this is my answer as finally coming after subtraction, 0.759 answer finally. I hope so. The concept is clear of the whole idea, whole question, sorry. Okay, that's it.